This message right here is why Volvo owners overpay at the dealer. Let's delete it in under a minute. This only resets the reminder. It doesn't fix problems, so only do this after the service. As the car is completely off, just push the ignition on. Now press and hold the trip reset button. While holding it, push and hold the ignition on position 2 without starting the engine. Keep holding until the service message starts flashing and release the buttons. At the end, you will hear a beep. To test the outcome, just start the car. And the service reminder has gone